Hi everyone, so today I'm going to just do a quick little video on a couple of exercises that I do. I know I did another video before with a couple exercises. I will do the same ones here, but I've started using the band. So this one, I actually bought it at the dollar store. I don't know what it compares to as other bands, but this is pretty good. You know, with coronavirus and the lockdown and everything, everybody needs to get fit. So I took the band and I put it on, so it gives that extra little, you know, help for the workout. So what I do, this is an exercise I started doing. I didn't do it in the other video. So you kind of do a squat and you like walk, okay? Like this. You go low and it helps with the booty and the legs. So you do that a couple of times. I actually do it like 4 this way, 4 back, and it probably like, I do maybe 10 and then I stop, and then 10 again, and then I stop. I like to do things in 20s when I first start, like 20 reps, I think. And then I'll do another exercise. I like to do 3 exercises and then go back to the first one so that it gives the time for your muscles to like recuperate a little bit. So that was the first one, new. The second one is I started doing, I put the chair here. Let me move it a bit first. Okay, so I started doing, like I have knee problems, so I don't do squats all the way, but I'll put the band on. And if you go like this, apparently it helps. And your toes, you have to curl them up, so they're not like flat on the floor, because that helps more apparently with the butt. So you're like this, you curl the toes up, you have to be straight, and then I go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I like to do, and you really feel it there when you're doing it. And here, this helps to give it more, I guess gives it tension, so it helps work the muscle more. I'm not sure, I'm not technical, I'm not a trainer, I don't know, I'm just doing what I do and I'm trying to explain it to you. So I do that. I like to do 50 of those. If you can't do 50, try with 20 and then slowly increase. So I like to do 50. And then the other exercise is also for the booty, and I did it in my other video. And I keep the band on and I go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you do the other side: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's like you're fully extending it, 10, and then it's like you're up here and you're just got the muscle tight and you're doing it 10. So I do that 2 times. So it's like 20 each side. And then this is what is new that I started doing. So you get a chair. It's totally for the buttocks. And you lean over the chair, okay, and you put your feet together like this, like a little froggy. You grab the legs of the chair and you go up: 1, 2, 3. You can see it's working the butt. 4, 5, 6, 7. Like I like to do at least 40 of them. I try to do 50, but if you can only start with 20 and you increase, it helps. So those are my newest exercises that I've incorporated into my routine. It's only for like the buttocks. I didn't do the abs, but in my other video I'm doing the abs. So this is what I'm starting to do, and it helps tone and it helps tighten and hopefully, you know, make a more round bootay. I think it's helped. You know, like I said, I haven't been on a proper routine and I'm starting back. So this is what I'm showing you, and I hope you incorporate these exercises in with the other ones in my other video. So I'm going to end it here. I hope you liked the video. I hope you watched my other ones. I hope you give me 2 thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Thank you so much. I wish you a very wonderful day. I'm sending lots of love. Thank you, thank you, thank you.